Hello, investors. Welcome to the ocean view from Vopno City. This land is in front of the ocean. That way, you can see the ocean. We try and expand the beach. If you listen, you can hear the sound of the waves of the ocean. That's the ocean over there. Now, from the ocean, you have the setback, and then you have the commencement of the green area. And after the green area, you have this estate. This is Vopno Ocean View. This property sells for 11.5 million for 600 square meters. Allocation has already been done in some phases for people who have already purchased. Now, if you look at this is a marker identifying a plot belonging to someone. If you look all across, there are markers and beacons that are separating people's plots. Allocations have been done and it's still ongoing. After a series of sales, we'll come back and do further allocation. It sells for 11.5 million. This is an oceanfront estate. Beautiful view, access to the ocean. The estate is very, very lovely. Dry ground, flat ground. Wonderful estate to be in. You want to have nature, feel nature, stroll from your house to the beach. You need to purchase in this estate. This estate is 1 in a million. It's not easy to find a beach facing land that is as value effective as this. This land costs 11.5 million for 600 square meters. It makes a whole lot of sense, and I will advise, before it is completely sold out, hurry and grab a plot of this. Come here and find out. This place, the access to the express, from here you get to Abijo. This is right at Abijo. Behind the Koakete. If you are familiar with the road in this area, behind the Koakete, as you're looking at, you are seeing more beacons, setting out the marketing plots and all around the area. This is directly behind the Koakete. Come and own this piece of property. This is a lovely place to raise children. By the time this estate is developed, it's a wonderful place to be. Vopno City Ocean View Estate. Now, you can raise your family, be close to the beach, have access to relaxation spots. You can even build hotel resort, or relaxation centers around here. This is going to be a beautiful estate. Grab a plot at the very least from this. What title does this property have? It has governor's consent. What more can you ask for? Governor's consent on a beach facing property. I'll take a stroll all the way, and you can see the beach. It might look close, but it's quite a distance. There'll always be the setback, and right about here is the perimeter fencing. You can see the blocks that have been laid. You see this row of blocks down to my left and right round this way to my right. This is the perimeter of the estate. This is where the estate actually ends. Now, behind this estate, you're going to have the green area, then you're going to have the setback from the ocean before you get to the ocean. Now, this is a beautiful estate. Come here, get yourself a plot at the very least. Ocean View Estate, 11.5 million for 600 square meters. Hurry now. Social media numbers, phone contact numbers are within reach. Now, this estate started selling for about 8 million when it started selling. Now it is 11.5 million. People who bought at that price have already seen close to 40% increase in value, return of investment, before it is even developed. Then when it is fully developed, 20 million might not get you a plot of land here. 40 million might not get you a plot of land. Think Banana Island, think Lekki Phase 1,
Purchase Swapno City Ocean View Estate now. Thank you.